Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Alejos. I'm going to show you how to make a mural. Right now it's pretty small, but it's your job to make it bigger. So everybody's going to get one little piece that they want, and I'm going to show you how to use scale to make it bigger. We're going to try to make it 6 feet by 3 feet. So here's my little square, and you're going to be estimating. You're going to use a little math. We're going to sneak it in here, but you're not going to use a ruler. So you see where my basket is? I'm going to guess more or less where it is, but I can see I'm a little bit off. There's more blue space on this side where the little balloon is, and there's less space over here on the corner. So this line was should probably be here. Yeah. And then I draw the bottom of my basket, and then I know there's two little wiggles, and then there's the bottom or the top of my basket. So my basket, I have to decide if it's smaller or more narrow or wider than the top part, and that's how I'm using scale here. I think the top of it is wider, so I'm going to draw it wider, and now it matches in scale. Now I also drew some guidelines, but you can pinch your paper into 4 parts. And it looks like the basket goes down to this line. So I'm going to draw my basket long, and then there's a design. There's also a star in here, so I'm going to draw that to the right size, and I'll color it later. There's also this little tiny loop here, and it goes from the top almost to the top of the basket. So make sure I've got that. And it's actually not as bubbly, it's more narrow. And there we go. Now I have the swirl, and the swirl is below my line, and it goes all the way across. And then I have a higher balloon, a balloon in the middle, so I'm going to draw that. And then I have this little tiny piece of pink and gray, which looks like a rectangle and a square. No, 2 rectangles. They're in the lower corner, so I'm going to try and estimate those. And that looks pretty good. I made this too big. There. You know what? The pink is a lot closer to the edge than what I did. So I'm going to move everything over. There. That looks a lot closer to the picture.